Sandra!
Happy birthday
Guys,
to
one video. Brandon uses the following reasoning to find the length C of the third side in the triangle shown. The two legs of the triangle are 5 and 12. I know by the Pythagorean theorem that 5 squared plus 12 squared equals C squared. I calculate 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 25 plus 144 equals 169. My calculator says that the square root of 169 is 13, so C must equal 13. Which statement is true about this reasoning?
A. Brandon's reasoning is correct.
B. The Pythagorean theorem does not apply to this triangle.
C. The Pythagorean theorem applies, but Brandon made a calculation error.
D. It is true that C equals 13, but Brandon's reasoning is incorrect because he is using a calculator.
Choice A says that Brandon's reasoning is correct, but that is incorrect because the Pythagorean theorem only applies to right triangles. And when you add up the angles in this triangle, you get 67 and 24 equals 91 degrees. When you subtract that from 180, which is the degrees in a triangle, you get 89 degrees, which is not a 90-degree right angle triangle. So the Pythagorean theorem does not apply to this triangle, meaning his reasoning is incorrect.
Answer choice C, which indicates that the calculations are incorrect, however, Pythagorean theorem is applied into this triangle. To prove that this is an incorrect answer, you can square 5, square 12, add them together, and that'll give you the equivalent of C squared. In order to get C by itself, you have to square root both sides of the equation. So now you have the square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared, and that'll give you C. So you fully multiply them out, so 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 12 times 12 is equal to 144. You add them together, and that'll give you C, which is 169. So the square root of 169 is equal to C. And when you input that into a calculator, or if you just mentally know it, you know that C is equal to 13. Therefore, his calculations are not incorrect, and this is a false answer.
Answer choice D says that Brandon's answer is incorrect because he uses a calculator. However, if this were to be Brandon's work, 5 times 5 equals 25, 12 times 12 equals 144, and the square root of 169 equals 13. If you were to do it on a calculator, the square root of 25 plus 144 equals 13, and Brandon's work is correct.
B, which says the Pythagorean theorem does not apply to the situation, is correct. The Pythagorean theorem only applies to 90-degree angles. When you add 67 and 24, you get 91. When you subtract 91 from 180, you get 89. So this angle right here is 89, which is not a right angle.